Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on January the 9th, 2020. Trump steps back from retaliation against Iran. U.S. President Donald Trump has stepped back from new military action against Iran after its missile attack at U.S. troops in Iraq caused 2 casualties. However, Trump said he would tighten sanctions on Iran. The U.S. Iran military action after a month of rising tensions since the United States withdrew in 2018 from Iran's nuclear pact with world powers fueled global concerns that the Middle East may face with another war. But both sides assure that these actions are not meant to be a war, while Arab and other international leaders called for restraint. In Iraq, Muslim Shi'ite groups opposed to the U.S. presence in Iraq also sought to cool such fears. Trump stated Iran appears to be standing down, which is a good thing for all parties concerned, but said the United States would impose additional sanctions on Iran, adding to measures that have slashed its oil exports and crippled its economy. Stocks recover amid the Mideast conflict easing. Global shares rebounded to their highs on Thursday as the United States and Iran backed away from the brink of conflict in the Middle East. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan rose 1.3%, marking its sharpest gain in almost a month. Hong Kong's Hang Seng and Shanghai blue chips each added more than 1%, while Japanese stocks climbed 2% to their highest for the year. Australian stocks soared 0.8% to a record closing high. In Europe and the United States, stock markets also pointed to extended gains, with S&P 500 futures increased 0.2% and German DAX futures jumped 0.9%. China will sign Phase 1 trade deal next week. According to the data from the Commerce Ministry on Thursday, China's Vice Premier Liu He had on the country's negotiation team in bilateral trade talks with sign a Phase 1 deal in Washington next week. Liu will visit Washington on January the 13th through 15th, said Gao Fan, spokesman at the Commerce Ministry. U.S. President Donald Trump said he would sign the deal with high-level representatives of China, and later he would travel to Beijing to begin talks on the next phase. The Phase 1 deal reached last month is expected to cut tariffs and boost Chinese purchases of U.S. farm, energy, and manufactured goods while addressing some disputes over intellectual property. Tesla's market cap eclipses General Motors' Ford. Tesla's Inc. stock surged 5% during the session on Wednesday, driving the company's market value to eclipse the combined values of General Motors Co. and Ford Motor Co. The Silicon Valley electric car maker hit a record $492.14 per share, while its market capitalization rose to almost $89 billion, or $2 billion larger than the sum of General Motors and Ford's respective market caps of $50 billion and $37 billion. Due to surprise third-quarter profit, progress at a new factory in China, and better-than-expected car deliveries in the fourth quarter, Tesla stock has more than doubled in the past 3 months.